Hi all, this is Dr. Amarja Patwardhan and I welcome you to Ayurveda, the Indian medicine. Last time we had a speedy tour with lime, lemon, sweet lime and orange. Today we are going to see the insights of lime water. Now the qualities, function and uses of lime in certain diseases depend on its taste. Not only lime but any other substance. So the taste of lime is very sour. For that we will also have to go through the qualities that are exhibited by the sour taste. Then we will get a clear cut idea on how it functions. Now let's see sour taste and its qualities. As soon as we see sour things or we taste sour things, it makes our mouth watery, causes goosebumps, tingling of teeth, and contraction of eyes and our eyebrows. This is what happens when you taste or look at sour things. But once this sour tasting substance enters our body, it will show its unctuous nature. To know this unctuous quality, if you just dip your finger in ghee or oil and rub it a little bit, then that feeling is called unctuous. Secondly, it is hot in potency. That means after the digestion of this sour substance, it creates heat in your body, but it is cold to touch. These two are completely different things. It causes moisture or helps in moistening our body from inside, acts as a digestive and an appetizer. One of the functions of lime is that it acts as a mild painkiller. How does this pain killing action takes place? See in the qualities of lime that it is somewhat hot and it is unctuous, and that's the reason it shows its action on vata dosh. If you have increased vata dosh symptoms, then and if you consume lime juice or nimu pani or just the lime juice and honey combination, then it will show a sure effect on vata dosh. Once this increased vata dosh in your body gets controlled, then you will experience somewhat less pain. Thus, it acts as a mild painkiller. If you have stomach ache because of several reasons related to food or digestion mainly, and if you consume this lime juice with water or honey, then the vata dosh that has changed its direction and has gone up in your tummy will get its direction because of the lime juice, and that is downward direction. Now once this vata dosh is released, the stomach pain also lessens. Then lime juice also ignites the fire element in our body. How? It's because of its hot nature. Then secondly, it is light to digest, it's unctuous. So all these qualities are similar to the fire element in our body as well as pitta dosh. That's the reason amla rasatmak or sour tasting lime ignites the fire element in our body, thereby helping in digestion. The qualities of fire element, like being hot in nature, and the flames of fire element always go up. That means it should be light in weight. So these two qualities of lime juice are similar to the fire element, while being unctuous and a good digestive are similar to the pitta dosh. So its major function is seen on the digestive system. Lime juice is also a great thirst quencher. It's because of this its taste that is sour. It gives you satisfaction mentally. Secondly, we saw just now in this video that sour tasting food substances, even though are hot in nature after digestion, they are cold to touch. So anything that is cold to touch satisfies us. It is unctuous and it also produces moisture in our body. This is how it acts as a thirst quencher. This thirst is caused by two things. One is excessive dryness and second is excessive heat. Dryness is one of the qualities of Vata dosh, while excessive heat is one of the qualities of Pitta dosh. So when you show a symptom of excessive thirst that is caused by dryness in your body, that means Vata dosh is increased, which can be controlled by lime juice. Lime juice actually helps in production of urine. It's because it is sour in taste. It causes moistening effect inside our body, and in the previous videos we saw how urine or mutra or the three malas are formed after the separation of the special digestive juice that is called ahara rasa into dosha dhatu and mala. So urine is one of the malas, and this lime juice, which is sour in taste, helps in the process of production of urine. It increases the production of urine. So when you consume lime juice, you will experience your body getting flushed out, thereby helping in weight loss and weight loss related diseases. To make all these things simple, we should know the ingredients of any sour tasting substance. They are fire element and water element. These two elements come together and form sour taste, the same combination that we saw in formation of pitta dosh. If you go through the previous videos of water element and fire element, that will be helpful you to understand this sour taste qualities and its functions. Coming back to the lime juice, it's useful in worm infestations and poisoning. It's because of its cleansing effect. So in our day-to-day life, if we just add lime juice to our detergent to wash our utensils, or if we use if we cut the lime and add 1 or 2 pieces to boiling water and use that water to clean the utensils, then the utensils really become look very much clean, and they also shine. It's because of the cleansing effect of this lime juice. So because of this cleansing effect, it's useful in worm infestations and poisoning cases. Now in poisoning cases, if it is used in food poisoning cases, it will surely help because of its special effect on digestive system. Then it is useful in stomach pain. We already saw how it acts as a mild painkiller. Then comes constipation. Now when we were discussing about the qualities of lime, we saw that it is also sharp in qualities. What does that mean? Now because of this sharp quality of lime juice, it helps in breaking down or cracking down the lumps that are formed of stool, thus relieving constipation. For that, you can imagine a volcano in which this cracking down effect on the earth is seen. So the function of this sharp quality is to crack down. If the hard stool is broken down or cracked down, it will relieve constipation. Then we saw it is good for eyes and good for heart. Now in some of my previous videos we saw how eyes have a threat of kapha dosh. Eyes are a sthan of alochak pitta, one of the types of pitta dosh, and how it helps in image formation and vision. The lime juice not only decreases the vata dosha but also shows its effect on kapha dosh by decreasing it. So it goes very well with the alochak pitta that is present in the eyes. Not only that, the sour tasting substances are also cold in temperature or cold to touch, so that becomes useful in case of eyes. Lime juice is also good for heart. It's because it can relieve constipation and it can give the normal direction to the vata dosh, which is downward direction. It helps in relieving the pressure on heart, so it is good for the heart. In cases of bleeding, we just now saw how it is cold in temperature, so that quality of lime juice helps here in cases of bleeding in the body or outside the body. Certain medicines that are mixed with honey and some drops of lime juice will be beneficial in cases where bleeding is seen as a symptom. Then in cases of fever where we have loss of appetite and loss of taste, lime juice becomes very helpful, thereby igniting the fire element in our body and helping in digestion. Then in cases of fever which also have a symptom of vomiting as well as loose motion, so three things at a time, fever, loose motion and vomiting, are when seen, lime juice becomes very helpful.